Aloha! Thank you for joining me, Dr. Donna Fisher, as we explore how to find the central idea and supporting evidence using AVID strategies. How can AVID strengthen the skills of finding the central idea and citing evidence? Let's spend a few minutes looking at 5 active engagement strategies, including annotating the text, taking Cornell notes, marking the text, using graphic organizers, and summarizing the text. AVID strategies are designed to promote active engagement with texts, to improve comprehension, to enhance critical thinking skills by teaching students how to effectively identify and analyze central ideas and supporting details. You can do this in a multitude of ways. The first AVID active engagement strategy we're going to look at is annotation. Encouraging students to annotate text actively can help them identify key details and central ideas. This involves teaching students to highlight important passages, writing notes in the margins, and marking sections that seem crucial to understanding the main point. The second AVID active engagement strategy we're going to look at is to use Cornell notes. Cornell notes involve dividing a note page into sections, a main note section, and a cues column with details, and a summary section. When students use this method, they can record details and main ideas in the main note section, jot down questions or cues in the cues column, and summarize the central idea of a section or text in the summary section. This is how the Cornell Notes page is typically set up. There's a cue column that's about 2.5 inches wide. Students leave a margin for questions, keywords, or main idea. In the note-taking area, that's the main section of the page, and it is used for detailed notes taken during lectures or while reading. The summary area is at the bottom of the page, about 2 inches high. Students summarize the key points of their notes. The third active AVID engagement strategy is marking the text. This strategy involves students physically marking the text to identify important information. They might underline or highlight key phrases, circle unknown words for later clarification, and use symbols like asterisks or exclamation marks to denote particularly important passages. The fourth AVID active engagement strategy is using graphic organizers. AVID often utilizes graphic organizers to visually represent the relationships between central ideas and supporting details. Examples include concept maps, Venn diagrams, and charts that help students organize their information. The fifth AVID active engagement strategy is summarizing the text. AVID teaches students to summarize what they have read or learned, which helps them distill the central idea and key details into concise statements. Summarizing encourages students to focus on the most important information. Mahalo for joining me as we looked at 5 AVID active engagement strategies, including annotating the text, taking Cornell notes, marking the text, using graphic organizers, and summarizing the text. Please join me next time as I look at how to cite the evidence using MLA, and then I'll have a video about using APA. Have a great day.